Hi, I'm Matthew. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is time for a shave, and I do have to make an apology. I've got in my eye here, a blood vessel that has broken, and so don't freak out. All right, so what else do I want to talk about? Today's shave soap is by PAA, and this is Nano bread, and this is an excellent scent. The artwork on this is quite interesting. But anyway, if you like a banana scent and you like banana bread, this is the ticket. Here is the soap, and it has kind of an unusual dark tint to the top layer, but wow, what a scent. I do have it whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush, the smoky one, and let's just go ahead and get lathered up. I'm running this a little bit thin today, but wow, just imagine your grandma pulling out banana bread from the oven, and that is the scent for sure. I believe on the website it lists this as a twist between freshly baked bread and rabid banana, because it's a mashup, and shh, you're not supposed to tell anybody, but I'm telling everybody on my channel. Today's razor is going to be the Homelike shaving Elbrus with this magnificent slant twist, and I've used this quite a bit, and I have found that the setting I really enjoy is number 6. You may not be able to see it. I'm going to warm the razor up. This razor is all stainless steel in the satin finish, and I have the Gillette Silver Blue in there. So let's go ahead and get the shave going for pass number 1. I do have 2 days worth of growth, and this is a phenomenal shaver. Whew. Wow. I feel sorry for you guys that can't get this razor. I know I had dreamed about it, and I just love the way it is so smooth and yet so efficient with zero blade feel. And it just effortlessly mows right through it. I've tried not to do too many videos on this, but this razor makes me really happy. And as far as I know, because I've looked several times, and I have not seen any other videos with this razor other than Homelike shaving. But I'm just curious to see, you know, what, I guess, like other people's opinion on it, how they feel it shaves, and I've yet to see one, so I guess I'll just kind of keep touting this razor around a little bit. I did try the Vashkod blade in it, thinking a Russian razor and a Russian blade would be magnificent, and yet it did fail me because I just have not really found a shaver or razor that particular blade works well in, and I can't really see that I've gotten a bad batch, because I've received some from friends and viewers I've even bought some from different locations other than Amazon, thinking, well, maybe these ones from Amazon are some kind of a, you know, not authentic blade, I'll say that. And they have all performed the same. So maybe it's just the, you know, blade is not for me. And I think I have given up on that blade. If you have a razor that you love the Vashgod blade in, comment below and let me know. Pass number 2 across the grain. And the one thing about this razor that I can kind of say is, you know, a con is you're not able to, well, I'm not going to say you can't, but it's a little bit trickier to edge things. So with like the goatee, it's a little bit trickier to line that up. It can be done, but it's not as accurate as a regular DE. But the sheer happiness that I get from this razor makes it well worth it. See that smile? I love it. You know, it's just one of those things that when you have a shave that you really enjoy, that's what it's all about. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. Wow, wow, wow. All right, I don't have a matching splash, so I'm going to use my Stirling unscented Glacial. And I think I've got just a few more shaves left with that. Oh, yes, yes, I kind of forgot the feel. That is, I love that. Yeah, kind of sad. I'll have to place an order. And I will be using my aftershave gel. Nice. That has just a baby amount of menthol in it compared to that Glacial. The soap did well, just as expected. A nice scent. I couldn't ask for a better shave. You know what? The Game Changer is getting a run for its money. All right, I will see you guys on the next shave video. Sorry for the late upload. It's still Sunday, so you're not missing out. But I will see you on the next shave. You have a great rest of your weekend.